Welcome to your winter cabin wonderland. Nestled in the heart of a snowy landscape, this cozy escape is where winter dreams come to life. Today we'll take you on a magical tour of this perfect getaway, where warmth meets the beauty of the season. Picture this, a charming log cabin adorned with twinkling lights, the smell of pine trees in the crisp winter air, and a crackling fire waiting for you inside. This is more than a cabin, it's an experience, a retreat from the hustle and bustle into a world of serenity. Step inside and you're greeted by the warm glow of a roaring fire. The rustic charm of wooden beams, plush seating, and layers of soft blankets make this space the ultimate winter hideaway. It's a place to relax, recharge, and soak in the magic of the season. No winter cabin is complete without the little comforts that make the season special. A steaming mug of hot cocoa, a plate of freshly baked cookies, and touches of festive decor create a space that feels like home, but better. The bedroom is a retreat within a retreat. Flannel sheets, fairy lights, and the soft glow of candles create a tranquil space where you can drift off to sleep as snow falls outside. It's the kind of peace and quiet you didn't know you needed. Gathering with loved ones is at the heart of the winter cabin wonderland experience. The rustic dining table, set with seasonal touches, is the perfect spot to share hearty meals, laugh, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Step outside and you'll find even more to love. Gather around the fire pit, wrapped in warm blankets, and roast marshmallows as snowflakes dance around you. The combination of fresh air and the warmth of the fire creates a magical outdoor experience. Adventure is never far away in this winter wonderland. Whether it's snowshoeing through the forest, sledding down a gentle hill, or simply exploring the quiet beauty of the snowy trails, this cabin offers something for everyone to enjoy. As the day winds down, the cabin transforms into a beacon of warmth and light. Surrounded by the stillness of winter, it's the perfect place to reflect, connect, and appreciate the simple joys of the season. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Winter Cabin Wonderland. Whether you're looking for a peaceful retreat or a place to create unforgettable memories, this cabin has it all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more inspiration, and we'll see you in the next adventure.